Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good morning. I missed you guys. Welcome back to the channel. It is a perfect day here in Utah. It's sunny, it's 80 degrees, and boys, we just got the best news ever. The Utah governor just announced that the stay home, stay safe order has been lifted. It's been downgraded to the stay smart, stay safe, which means the driving season is back, boys. Okay, so we're gonna take the Supra and we're gonna take the Corvette. Corvette, Supra, and we got Josh in the rear-wheel drive Huracan. Right here, dude. Right here. Right here. No, right there. Right there. Can we do that again? I missed it. Whoa. Jeez, bro. I got kids sleeping. There's kids sleeping in the neighborhood.
I'm sorry. I wanted to wake
Man. Ooh, this is a good color comp. This is a pretty sick squad. We got the C8, we got the rear-wheel drive Huracan, and the Audi RS7. So we are racing to Mexico, to Guadalajara. Oh, let's see it, Corvette. You want to go? Oh, go! We're going! We're going! No! We just got Lambo'd! No! Oh, we just got Lambo'd! Oh my gosh, 500 wheel horsepower, rear wheel drive, and the Supra doesn't weigh anything. This car is crazy. It was a long, arduous journey, but welcome here to Guadalajara, Mexico. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful here. Also, if you're concerned that they closed the Mexican border, that may be true, but wait, it's a joke, boys. Yeah, anyway, shh. There's a wide open road way over there, and Josh was just like, so we're gonna line up the cars right here and drag race in the parking lot? Yeah, you better walk away, Josh. You better hide behind some way. Okay, so we have the Supra versus the C8 Corvette 2020, 495 horsepower. This has 500 wheel horsepower. I think the Corvette's gonna win. Stefan's a better driver. He's driving the Corvette, so.
Yeah, I think the Supra's gonna waste on the Corvette.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a Supra fanboy.
I think so. I have a little bit of experience with the Supras.
Yeah, it looks good, but the air ride, I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. So we're gonna head over there, we're gonna race the two, and then maybe Josh will drive the Huracan against the winner.
Oh, we started to get him.
The Corvette just gets it off the launch, but then they are neck and neck. Dude, that's so close.
That's way close. If we go anything past that,
right,
it's gone.
Let's go. Yes. Oh, geez, we got a Mustang. Whoa, this Supra's fast. This thing is crazy. That was insane. This Corvette is so fast off the line, but the Supra has so much power. In that roll race at 30 miles an hour, the Supra just like, as soon as it could get traction, it was gone. So amazing for two cars that both start around 60 grand. MSRP on this was 85. This was 60. Obviously, this car's been heavily modded in good ways and bad ways. Wow, okay, so now we're gonna race the C8 versus the Huracan. That's the 580-2, that's the rear wheel drive. Josh is a decent driver. Yeah, he's not very good, but I'm probably worse. So it's two bad drivers and two fast cars, full send. Race mode, traction control off, stability control off. We're racing Josh and the Huracan. Kind of a love-hate relationship for me because I love Lambos, but I want to destroy Josh because he's Josh. Okay, we're ready whenever.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, come on, Josh! That was terrible! Bro, what happened? Okay, we need somebody else to drive the Lambo. Stefan, will you drive the Lambo?
I mean, if I have to.
Jeez, Josh, are you kidding me? What was that, bro? I'm pretty sure this is take number 4. I've kind of lost track. Are you ready, Josh?
Yes.
Okay, I think we're good. So let's move a little slower this time, Shumway. Just for Josh.
Gotcha.
Okay, I'm
slow
ready
motion
when
for
you are.
Josh. Slow motion for Josh.
Ready, Josh?
Yep. We're good. 1, 2.
It's so fast. It's just absolutely insane. It just demolished. We just destroyed a Lambo. Now bear in mind, yeah, Josh was driving, but that was pretty fair. And we got him, boys. We did. We got him. I know there's a lot of Corvette haters. I'm trying to film a video where someone can beat the Corvette, but nobody can. The Germans tried, the Italians tried. The RS7. Honestly, the fastest car here is that Audi RS7. You wouldn't think, but it is. Corvette beat the Supra, Corvette beat the Lambo. Now we're gonna race the RS7. Sammy's driving, she's also the best driver here, so there's real, well, she is, Josh. Stefan is getting his camera out of the trunk. The hood top speed is 82 miles an hour. There is no way we could drive 82 with the trunk open. I don't think we could. Is this car tuned? Nope. Okay, so this is a stock RS7. Obviously, I don't know the displacement of it. That's been proven before on the interwebs. Anyways, okay, we're ready when you are. Yep.
Good. 1, 2.
No, come on, yes! 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 I'm telling you guys, the Sierra Corvette is so fast. That was 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. Oh my goodness, nothing can beat this car. It's ridiculous. I have never seen Josh so excited for anything in my entire life. Sammy's his girlfriend, and obviously he couldn't take the smuggery if she would have won, so. I'm telling you guys, this Corvette is amazing. I'm not trying to have this car win these races. It just can't lose. It won't lose. Is she turning around? What are you doing?
It wasn't split all the way.
Yeah, I bet. Did you hear all the stutters? Wow, okay. I'll give you a second chance. Second chance is round 2. Whoa, 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 hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, I'm not ready. Okay, I'm ready. Yep. Oh, come on! No! 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 Oh, no! 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 Oh, what happened? That was a 3.7. That was a terrible launch. I'm an awful driver. This is why General Motors didn't invite me to the media day in the Corvette. I'm terrible. Oh, the smuggery. She's smiling. Are you kidding me? Jeez. I just embarrassed my country.
We have to leave. We can't leave you.
I just let down my country. I don't know what happened there. I got embarrassed. Yeah. Okay, so Mexico is beautiful, but we're gonna head back to America. That Audi RS7 is fast right there. Also, that Huracan's a rear wheel drive, so if it was an all-wheel drive 610, it would be faster than the Corvette. It just can't hook up power. Okay, so we are headed, well, I don't actually know, somewhere. Utah's just flexing on the nation right now. Whoa, he's gone. Let's go, Supra, let's go. And go. Out of absolutely nowhere, we have Mikey in the GT3 RS. Why did he have to do that? Ow! Mikey, are you kidding me? Huracan Evo is sick. Look at the vanity plate too. It's so cool. Wow, this 599 sounds insane. What? That is so sick. Okay, this Supra's fast though. Oh, it's gone. No! We just got turboed. We just got turboed. I mean, we have a turbo, we don't have a Porsche turbo. Jeez. Oh my gosh. That is a shrieking F1 sound. That's ridiculous. I don't know what's been done to that car, but I like it. Clayton just finished his Cayman. It looks ridiculous. That thing is riding so low. Those bronze wheels look so good. What? Yo. Wow. This Huracan Evo is sick. Okay, that was a dumb joke. Okay, so moving on. I need to park next to Clayton's Cayman. That thing looks insane. We have the wide body Supra next to the wide body Cayman. They look so good as a pair. This Cayman is insane next to the Supra. It's so fun to see this thing on the road. It is so wide. So Clayton has a massive wing coming for the Cayman very, very soon. Supra is just looking so good in the purple. If there are any Lamborghini executives watching today's video, why are you not putting scissor doors on the Huracan? It looks so sick. Check this thing out. I've never actually seen a Huracan with proper Lambo doors, but it just like, it fits the car so well. Look at this interior. Whoa, come on Lamborghini. Whoa. So they go all the way down and then close. That's sick. What? There's something about a matte black Huracan. That thing is so wicked. We've got the LP550-2 as well. I should have brought the Lambo, but there's a future Lambo drive coming to the vlog near you. This is an odd sequence in the vlog, but welcome to the Four Horsemen's warehouse. Dude, you could spin here. This could be it. Whoa, 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 whoa. You hear that echo? Park. Wait for it, wait for it. I'm getting a lot of pressure to do donuts in this warehouse, but Josh, how many likes do I need?
10.
10! No, make it a big number. If I get 150,000 likes, Josh will let me do donuts in his Huracan in the warehouse. I might crash it, I might not, so be sure to smash that like button. But I think today's video is effectively over. Oh, that sounds pretty good. It has a 4-liter twin turbocharged V8. That is going to effectively end today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. Just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.